Hello, remote family. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm back with another work from home job for you guys, and today I have a two no phone job which doesn't require any degree and it's a 100% a work from home. So, the first opening which I have is with this company, Rue, and it's a relief support community, and they are looking for client support lead, which is a part-time weekend job, and it's 100% remote. So let's get into the job details. So Ru is looking for a fantastic part-time client support lead who will manage their weekend support and facilitate positive user experience for all veterinarians, hospitals, and technicians on the innovative veterinary staffing platform. So you will be the lead weekend point of contact for customer inquiries coming through their online support channels via email and chat, and you will troubleshoot and resolve any first line issue raised by hospital, vet, tech users, providing accurate, complete, and supportive responses. You will act as a backstop for second line escalated issues during weekends and coordinate with relevant regional BD, AMS, and other departments when needed. You will facilitate and help to manage potential cover outs with current processes in place. You will proactively document rainy day scenarios as encountered and share any key learnings with the team. You will maintain Zendesk and HubSpot to ensure all client communications and CS tickets are documented appropriately. You will coordinate with finance, data, and other departments on the rainy day shift and payment reconciliation, generate reports as needed. So these are the requirements for the job role. 3+ years of experience in client customer support, vet technician, animal healthcare industry experience is a plus. Positive, organized, and accurate in all internal and external company communications. Excellent communication and organizational skills. Familiar with customer support tools. Timely and efficient in task accuracy and completions. Flexible and agile, ability to pivot quickly. Driven to improve processes, communications, and ability to become an expert on company policy, comfortable handling customer queries and managing expectations with minimal backup, enjoy assisting teammates and acting as an internal resource, excited to join an ever-growing team of professionals. So, the benefits which you get, first of all, the compensation which they are offering for this role is anywhere between $25 to $27 an hour, plus a 401k plan, unlimited paid time off, paid maternity and reproductive care leave, gifts on your birthday and anniversary, and opportunity for domestic travel, including for regional team building events. So this is a 100% a no phone job via chat and email. If you're interested in this, please apply for the same. I will share the link in the description. So let's move on to the second job details. Second job which I have is with this company, Via, and they are looking for customer support representative, and this is also 100% a no phone job which doesn't require any degree. So this position is 40 hours a week, Monday to Friday, and they are looking for people that are willing to invest their time in a young company with huge potential. So they are looking for people who can put together great emails and other written correspondence. So it's a 100% a no phone job. You'll be responding to customer inquiries, managing customer experience, and processing and tracking customer returns. So apart from this, the starting pay for the job role is $15 an hour, and the benefits which you'll be getting will be health, vision, dental, 10 days of PTO accrued in year 1 and 15 days of PTO accrued in year 2, 7 paid holidays per year, company jacket from the North Face, company water bottle from Yeti, a 401k plan after the first year, quarterly social events, and HSA, FSA applicable health plan. So both the jobs are 100% no phone. You'll be responding to the clients via chat and email. So I will share the link below in the description. Please go ahead and apply for the same. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video, and if you're looking for a work from home job, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.